Hi there, it's Janice Thompson from JazzleDazzleCraft.co.uk. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator and I live and work in Scotland. Today I have come on to do card number 3 from Hydrangea Hill Class in the post to you. So I'm just going to show you the method of how I made this beautiful card with this set. Isn't that beautiful? I really like this one. This one, I don't know, I just like it. So that we're doing some mat and layering, obviously some stamping, and what some people call a one-hole bow. So I'm just going to show you the technique of how I've done this to keep this in place. So let's just get cracking here. Right, so, and I'll probably forget how I did it. I will show you how I did it, but you can Google and one hole bow and you'll see lots of other people doing it as well. So it's just a different way of getting your ribbon stuck. Of course, did I get the ribbon out ready to do this? No. Luckily I can see it. This sheer ribbon gorgeous scrape is absolutely gorgeous. It's part of this suite as well. So I basically just chopped up everything just so that, and it's actually going to be much the same. So in fact exactly the same, just to show you the method of putting it together. We'll pop the ribbon to the side just now. So what we've got here is we have a card base, which again is half a sheet of A4 folded in half. I've got a layer of purple posy cardstock, which is 10.1 centimetres by 14.4, and a piece of this gorgeous acetate that's part of this comes in gorgeous grape and in rococo rose, and I've just done it so that it's going to sit on top of the purple posy exactly, so it's exactly the same size. Then I have a layer of gorgeous grape, which is 12.8 centimetres by 8.5 centimetres. A piece of designer series paper. This just beautiful with all these hydrangeas here. And it is 12.4 centimetres along that way and 8.1 centimetres that way. Then I have another layer of gorgeous grape, which is 10.4 centimetres by 5.4 centimetres, and a little piece of purple posy for stamping on, which is 10 centimetres by 5 centimetres. So they will layer up like that. So that would have been nice enough in itself, but I've decided to show you how to do the ribbon trick. So first of all, I'll do the ribbon thing and then we'll do the rest. So I want to stick the designer series paper onto the layer. So once you've done all your cutting out, this card is really quite easy to, it's just an assembly job really. Pop that down, just want that to be nice and straight. Now I have one of these, it's called a crocodile for making holes. So you'll have something similar, I'm sure. Most crafters have something for making holes. So I'm just kind of, do I want it that high up? Not as bad as that, I don't think. So I'm roughly eyeballing this to approximately the middle there, and I am eyeballing it. If if it's important to you, you can I actually want the smaller hole. Stop, Janice, stop. Right, okay. It's going to have to go there because I pushed it by accident. There we go. So you could have this anywhere you want. So I've just made one hole. Where's my ribbon? Doodaloo. Oh, here it's right beside me. Nothing changes. Whether I'm doing a live or I'm recording, I'm just the same daft. Right, so I want this to be probably at least double yeah, so it's got to come up through the hole, but I'm going to snip this off because it's just easier. But you could keep it on the roll until you're happy with what you've got. So what's going to happen is I need it to go round, and then I need this bit to come up through the hole. I've probably got far too much ribbon now. So it's going round that, whoops, that side and up through the hole, up here, and then pop this bit, pop your pointy bit through till you get a hold of it. Let's get that straight first. Oh. I want that straight, so then just pull that up till it's tight. I think we need a bit more here. Let's just I've got a kink in there, but we'll sort that out. Let me see if I can just pull that one back, just till you've got, you know, an even-ish amount. So you're going to have so then this one comes underneath there, so they're like that. So the hole is underneath the ribbon now, and I'm going to tie a knot. Now you could just trim off that. So then I'm bringing it round here because I'm going to try and tie a bow that will sit there now. Easy to do when you're not filming, honestly. When you're filming, these things always go wrong. Don't want such a big bow as that, but you know. That's it then. Trim. Always cut your ribbon on the bias, and that way there's less chance of it freeing. There we go. I'm just leaving that one quite floppy. This one's quite small, but I've left that one quite floppy. Just tuck that under a bit. There we go. We can trim it. I actually think I will trim it a bit more. This bit. So that's ready now to layer up. So we'll just do our stamping, and then we'll be ready just to assemble everything together. So again, it's just similar to the bigger cards that I've done. I want a sentiment in the middle, and then I'm going to stamp all around. So I need to choose. So we've got two kind of little flowery stamps, and I want to choose. For this one, I've used this stamp, but this time I'll use this one just to ring up the changes. And I think this time, that one's To an Incredible Woman. We'll do You Make Me Smile on this one, shall we? I'm just checking if there's any that I've not used yet. We'll just use that. So, of course, blocks, where are you? Too big for these blocks. Don't know where all my wee blocks are. They're there until you need them, eh? And then everything disappears. But I'm just filming back to back just now, so right. You Make Me Smile, and I'm going to do the Gorgeous Grape ink, the same as I did on that one. So You Make Me Smile. And then inside, have I got a liner for this one? Oh, I haven't brought a liner for this one. I haven't prepared one, but in that one I have stamped as well. I don't have one cut, so we'll just leave that today. but you can obviously finish your cards off. And then I'm just going to take this just around. Just to frame the sentiment, really. I've got too much ink on there. There we go. Maybe just a teeny bit here on the edge. That's better. Right, that definitely needs cleaned. And this gets layered onto here. So now it's just an assembly job. So put everything onto its layers and then we'll layer them up. So that's already there. So as I say, if once you've cut everything, it really is straightforward. Now, just pick where you put your bits of glue on this. There's some dots on the silver. I think this is called mercury effect acetate. I'm just trying to put it where it won't show on the other side, but it does dry clear, so it's not terrible if it does, if you can see through it. Right, I think that will be plenty to hold it still. And just hold it down. Just make sure the glue is spread nicely. And that's that, and then we'll pop that onto the card base. Again, turn that over that way. So I hope you're all enjoying this kit. The suite itself is beautiful and I hope you're happy with my design. Let me know. Obviously you don't have to follow my instructions, you can do your own designs. Usually this is just to get you started. Just put some glue on here, put it on the ribbon too so that it sticks. Just kind of use it, you know. You want it sort of central. Hold it, because it's going onto a smooth surface, you need to hold it a wee while longer than you would if it was going onto onto an absorbent surface. Obviously you're not filming, so you can just give it a minute or two to take a hold. See, that's maybe needs just a bit of extra glue in there. Yeah, maybe. And then pop this one the right way up above your bow. Kind of central as well. And it won't shift now. I would say that is slightly squint there, but I defy anyone to point that out to me. And then we just need some of these gorgeous pearls. going to go for the Gorgeous Grape again, I think, here. Where shall we go for the paler ones? Like the lighter ones on this time. Just going to pop them. Just pop a wee row of 3 here. Just adds a bit of bling. And there you go. There you have it. Project number 3 looked complicated, but it really isn't. So again, thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing what you do with this kit. Please subscribe and please press the bell icon so you get notified. And if you want to purchase any of the products that you've seen in this video today, you can do so at JazzleDazzle.stampinup.net. Thank you very much.